Hello everyone, welcome to another travel vlog by Mahashin Travelers. Today we're going to visit Milad Tower, the sixth tallest tower in the world and the other symbol of Iran's capital, Tehran. Before going high up into the sky, you can visit some shops that sell handicrafts such as clay dishes, leather bags, handmade shoes, modernized traditional clothes, etc. You can use the side elevator to go to the fourth floor or the food court. It has a nice 360-degree view.
The main journey starts by using the central elevator to go to the 11th floor, which is 280 meters above the ground level. As you see, it was a windy day. After this floor, we are moved to the top of the tower that is called the Sky Dome. This dome is totally made of glass. In the center, there is a huge column on which 4 main elements of life are shown.
Water is the symbol of life and refreshment. Earth is the main symbol of creation. Wind, the symbol of movement. Fire, the symbol of purity. After the roof, we move to the 5th floor to visit 2 museums, Hall of Fame and Municipality Museum. In the Hall of Fame, you can see the statues of the famous figures in Iran, such as the painter Kamal al-Mulk, the wrestler Takhti, the poet and painter Sohrab Sepehri, writer couples Simin Daneshvar and Jalal Al-Ahmad, Prime Minister Amir Kabir, and the epic poet Ferdowsi.
In the Municipality Museum, there are handwriting samples of Iranian figures and different countries' gifts to the municipality over time. Finally, the tour is over and we are headed down the tower.